Hello everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making eggs in a basket. So what I've done is I've taken the bottom of a burger bun. You can use a normal bread, your square, white, brown, whatever you want. I've taken the bottom of a bun and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a hole in it. Got the center out. This is your basket. So first I'm going to heat the pan. So we've put oil in the pan, again between medium and low heat, 2 points on the induction. Just spread the oil evenly around. And first what we're going to do is we'll toast the basket a little bit. Increase the heat. Now I'm on 3 points on the induction. So little over medium. Coat it nicely with the oil. Flip it so you get some color on this side as well. Add just a little bit of oil in the center so that your egg doesn't stick to the pan. A little bit of oil around. Break the egg right in the center of the basket. Watch your egg. As soon as you see that your egg whites have cooked, that is the time when you have to take it out. What I've done here is the remaining egg white, I've just slightly spread it on the top of the bun so it gets absorbed in the bread itself. So now you can see that the egg is nicely cooked and is sitting well in the basket. Season it slightly with salt, some white pepper. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another episode with a fun recipe. Till then, I bid you a good day. Have a great time. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a pizza toast out of leftovers. We use bread, we use packaged pizza sauce, we have leftover seasoning, some cheese and just a little bit of herb for your hangover basically. So let's get started. Put some oil in the pan. Toss our garlic. Lightly brown the garlic. And then we'll add our pizza sauce. Slightly toss it with the garlic and then you just switch off the heat. Leave this here. Now let's get to the bread. So what we'll do is we'll cut off the sides. You could use these for breadcrumbs later on. Evenly spread this out. It's a nice, easy and delicious recipe for those times when you're lazy and you don't really want to cook. So before goes the cheese slice, use the seasoning. And a little bit of white pepper. Use cheese slices because it's easier for this to melt in the oven. If you usually like grate cheese and do it, it'll take longer. But if you use this, it'll be quicker. So I'm going to put the oven to about 150. I'm going to put it for 10, but I will take it out as soon as the cheese melts. So the cheese has melted. So I'm going to take this out now. And let's cut into our pizza toast. Yes, look at all that cheese. So I'm just going to chop some fresh parsley to put this on top. Nothing is complete without a little bit of olive oil. The pizza toast is served. Perfect food. When you're lazy and you want to eat a pizza, you don't want to order food, this is what you should be making.
So guys, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.